Good morning to my subscribers and to those who are viewing for the very first time. Welcome, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button for more updates and don't forget to like, comment and share. So today's story will be based on the construction workers among triple murder victims in Westmoreland. So here we go. At least 2 construction workers have been numbered among 3 men who were shot and killed by heavily armed gunmen in Rder, Grange Hill, Westmoreland on Wednesday night. The police have identified the deceased as 20-year-old laborer Christopher Scott, alias Rubbish Heap, 36-year-old carpenter Crystal Hudson, and 28-year-old Tyler Akeem Benz, all of Westmoreland addresses. Reports are that about 11 p.m., residents heard a barrage of gunshots in the community and summoned the police. Upon their arrival, the police found the 3 men suffering from gunshot injuries. They were taken to hospital where they all were pronounced dead. The Westmoreland police are investigating the development.
That's what the Chinese food is. The Chinese food is. Yeah man, I raise dog up in the area. Holy for dog. See there? How the Chinese food is Jamaican. Yo.